Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project on the bench, the Visitor's Laser Jeep from the 1984 TV series V. Now, in the last video, when I was still working on the Miami Vice Ferrari Daytona Spider, I commented that the humidity was so high that I wasn't able to do any of the body paint, and we had a forecast for some decent weather last week. But then things changed, and it's pretty much been raining ever since then. So that project is basically on indefinite hold until the weather decides to cooperate, because I'm not going to risk a gloss black paint job with the atmosphere being as wet as it is right now. So I set that one aside for the time being, and I figured I'd work on something that was a little more forgiving to atmosphere, and I figured a Jeep would be fine. So, starting on this, it's based on Monogram's 1/24 CJ7, and the kit is a 77 Jeep, I believe, but I wanted to update it to an 84 model, figuring that in the series they would be using new Jeeps. I'm sure that the actual prop vehicles were whatever they could find, but I wanted to make this look like it was a then new Jeep. So I made a few changes, first of which being that I put some spacers on the front and rear axles, because Jeep had given the CJ7 a wider track after 82. So just have a couple little fillers in there to push the wheels out. I also went through and opened the spring shackles on the front and the rear. It's not a huge difference, but it does help the look of things. And just lighten it up a little bit. And then the biggest change is, as you can see, I have a straight 6 in it now. This is the 258 that came in the MPC Pacer X kit. I bought a second one of those when I was building the Wayne's World car for some extra parts, and had most of the kit still left over. I had used the seats in the Man with the Golden Gun Hornet. Some other interior bits went to the Wayne's World car, but I had the full engine left over, so I thought that would be a nice change for this. And basically I just cut it right here at the bell housing. Used the transmission and transfer case from the CJ7, and the rest of the engine is all out of the Pacer. It fits in there pretty good too. There's still plenty of room up front for the fan and the radiator. So that's where I am now. I'm going to be working on this over the next few days, getting the engine in, getting the body started and painted, and I will be going back to the Ferrari if we get some cooperative weather, but no promises on that. This whole summer has been extremely wet, and we'll just have to kind of play things by ear. So check back for another update next week, and thanks for watching.